Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant experience invitation notifications on Roblox Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable those notifications so you can play in peace without any interruptions. This is the updated method so you can be sure you're getting the latest steps. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons. Tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. This is labeled as More. Tapping here will open up a whole menu of options. Next, scroll down a little until you see the Settings option. Go ahead and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your Roblox experience. Now, find and select the Notifications section. This is where you control what kinds of alerts you get from Roblox. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see an option called Mobile Push Notifications. Tap on that. Here you'll find a list of all the different notifications that can be sent to your device. Look through the list until you find Experience Invitation. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when someone invites you to join an experience on Roblox. To turn these notifications off, simply toggle the switch next to Experience Invitation so that it's disabled. When the toggle is off, you won't receive any more Experience Invitation notifications on your mobile device. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Experience Invitation notifications on Roblox Mobile. Now you can enjoy your games without those pesky pop-ups. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.